Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Ravi, do you want to come play with us at the parking deck?
Really? Can I?
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Hello, Face! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man! Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show.
Wow, that is a tight fit. Rhodey, we'll get you free. You ready?
Easy!
Okay.
I hereby dub thee.
Lonely, lost and let down.
Guys, we got us a couple of rookies. I'm gonna call you Muddy Britches, and you...
It didn't. Silly Rosie.
Hay que ir recto. ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Pitch it hard, break it loose, and just drive it with the throttle. Give it too much, you'll be out of...
Hey! What? What's going on? That's what I...
Queen, I can handle anything. Mater?
Just remember, your brake.
I'm gonna make you scream! Ah! Start your engines!
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
So when your big chance comes along, you can take it.
Hey, Cruz.
Oh, hey, Mr. Sterling.
I'd like...
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the tape. K-I-S-S.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us.
Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice.
Fellow citizens,
You are way behind. Thanks, guys. You saved my tail out there. Victory! Victory!
McQueen cannot win the last race. Lightning McQueen must be killed.
Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
Thanks, guys!
Good dude.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without you.